Hello viewers, welcome to my channel DVZ Lane. Today we are going to learn the 33 districts of Telangana state. We know that earlier we have 10 districts. After the reorganization of districts by the state government, we have 36 districts in 2020. Now we will learn all the names of the 33 districts in a sequence, and we also learn to locate these 33 districts in the outline map of Telangana. Look at the board. First, we will start from this corner. The shape of Telangana is in triangular shape. From this corner we will start. From outer to inner we will go. This is an easy way to learn. Now starting with this, it is Kottagudem district, Bhadradri Kottagudem. Next one is Khammam. We will learn the names of the districts in pairs. Kottagudem, Khammam, Bhadradri Kottagudem and Khammam. Kottagudem is named after the famous temple located at Bhadrachalam, so it is known as Bhadradri Kottagudem and Khammam. Next two will come to Suryapet, then Nalgonda. These are the next two districts: Bhadradri Kottagudem, Khammam, Suryapeta, Nalgonda. Bhadradri Kottagudem, Khammam, Suryapeta, Nalgonda. If you learn in pairs, it will be easy for us to remember the names. Next, after learning these four names, we will go for next set of four. Next, it is now after Nalgonda, the district is Nagar Karnool. Nagar Karnool. Then after that it is Vanaparthi. Nagar Karnool and Vanaparthi. It is a pair. Nagar Karnool and Vanaparthi. After this it is Jogulamba Gadwal. Gadwal district is named after a famous temple located at Jogulamba, so it is known as Jogulamba Gadwal. Vanaparthi Gadwal. Vanaparthi Jogulamba Gadwal. This is comes after Vanaparthi. Next, this is one of the new districts. It is Narayanpet. Narayanpet. Nagar Karnool, Vanaparthi, Jogulamba Gadwal, Narayanpet. Nagar Karnool, Vanaparthi, Jogulamba Gadwal, Narayanpet. These four comes after the first four, like Bhadradri Kottagudem, Khammam, Suryapeta, Nalgonda, Nagar Karnool, Vanaparthi, Jogulamba Gadwal, Narayanpet. First we have to learn these 8 in a sequence. After learning these, we will go for next 8. Bhadradri Kottagudem, Khammam, Suryapeta, Nalgonda, Nagar Karnool, Vanaparthi, Jogulamba Gadwal and Narayanpet. Okay, now let us move for another districts. The inner district here it is called Mahabub Nagar. Mahabub Nagar, and this one is Vikarabad. These two districts can be paired. Mahabub Nagar, Vikarabad. Mahabub Nagar, Vikarabad. The upper two are Sangareddy this one is Kamareddy. These two are a pair, Sangareddy and Kamareddy. Now Mahabub Nagar, Vikarabad, Sangareddy, Kamareddy. Mahabub Nagar, Vikarabad, Sangareddy, Kamareddy. Mahabub Nagar, Vikarabad, Sangareddy, Kamareddy. Now moving further up, we have some more districts. It is Nizamabad district, and above this it is Nirmal. Nizamabad and Nirmal, Ni and Ni, Nizamabad and Nirmal, these are a pair. And the top of our map are two districts. This is Adilabad and this one is Komrambim Asifabad. The Asifabad district is named after a revolutionary leader from Telangana, tribal leader Komrambim. So these two districts are Adilabad and Asifabad. Adilabad and Komrambim Asifabad, Nizamabad Nirmal, Adilabad Asifabad, Nizamabad Nirmal, Adilabad Asifabad. Now let us remember these 8 districts once again. Mahabub Nagar, Vikarabad, Sangareddy, Kamareddy, Nizamabad, Nirmal, Adilabad, Asifabad. I repeat, please look at the board. Vikarabad, Sangareddy, Kamareddy, Nizamabad, Nirmal, Adilabad, Komrambim, Asifabad. These are the 8 states which can be added to the earlier learned 8 districts. Total becomes 16 districts. And after learning these districts, we can go further. Below Asifabad district, it is Manchiryal district. Manchiryal. And below this, it is Jaishankar Bhupalpalli district. This Bhupalpalli district is named after our Telangana leader Jaishankar sir. So it is called Jaishankar Bhupalpalli. Manchiryal and Jaishankar Bhupalpalli are a pair, becomes a pair. These two become a pair. And next, below this is newly formed district Mulugu. And the inner district, now we are going to inner districts here. It is Mahabubabad. Okay. These 4 we learn now. Manchiryal, Jaishankar Bhupalpalli, Mulugu, Mahabubabad. Manchiryal, Jaishankar Bhupalpalli, Mulugu, Mahabubabad. Manchiryal, Jaishankar Bhupalpalli, Mulugu, Mahabubabad. These are the 4 districts, and if we go on further inner, we will learn some more districts. I will write with a different color. This district is Warangal Rural. Warangal Rural. I will write here. It is Warangal Rural. After this, it is Warangal Urban. First one is, which one is below, that is Warangal Rural, this one, and the upper one is Warangal Urban. Next to this is Jangaon, Jangaon district. And after Jangaon we have Bhuvanagiri district. It is named after Yadagiri Buddha temple. So it is known as Yadadri Bhuvanagiri. This is Jangam. I write with right. Now let us go back here. Mancherial, Jaishankar Bhupalpalli, Mulugu Mahabad, Warangal rural, Warangal urban, Jangam and Yadadri Bhuvanagiri. These districts make 8 districts. I repeat: Mancherial, Jaishankar Bhupalpalli, Mulugu, Mahabad, Warangal rural, Warangal urban, Jangam and Yadadri Bhuvanagiri. Up to this we have learnt 24 districts and still the story is on. Next, go to this district is Rangareddy, and the smallest district in terms of area is Hyderabad, which is the state capital. Hyderabad district is here. Rangareddy and Hyderabad. Above this, it is Medchal Malkajgiri, we can call it Medchal and Malkajgiri. Next, above this is Medak district. Now, here are 4 districts we will learn. First, Rangareddy, Hyderabad, Medchal Malkajgiri, Medak, Rangareddy, Hyderabad, Medchal Malkajgiri, Medak. These are the 4 districts, and next 4 we will learn here. This one is Siddipet district. Above this is Sirsilla. It is named after Vemulavada Rajanna, so it is known as Rajanna Sirsilla district. Siddipet and Rajanna Sirsilla. Next, above this is Jagityal, and to the right this is Peddapalli. Siddipet, Rajanna Sirsilla, Jagityal, Peddapalli, and the last one is Karimnagar. Here. With this, the total number of districts become 33. The last 8 plus 1 9. I will repeat. Rangareddy, Hyderabad, Medchal Malkajgiri, Medak, Siddipet, Sirsilla Rajanna, Jagityal, Peddapalli and Karimnagar. First 8, second 8, third 8, fourth 8, 4 8 is 32, and the last one is Karimnagar. This is the simplest way to learn the names of the all 33 districts of Telangana, and not only by learning the names, you can also locate the position of these districts. It is very easy way. If you practice in pairs, all will learn in 1 hour only. It takes only 1 hour, and you try. I think you got it. I will tell the names once again for the last time. Bhadradi Kottagudem, Khammam, Suryapeta, Nalgonda, Nagar Karnool, Vanaparthi, Joglamba Gadwal, Narayanpet, Mahabub Nagar, Vikarabad, Sangareddy, Kamareddy, Nizamabad, Nirmal, Adilabad, Kumrambim, Asifabad, Mancheriala, Jaishankar Bhupalpalli, Mulugu, Mahabubabad, Warangal rural, Warangal urban, Jangam, Yadadri Bhuvanagiri, Rangareddy, Hyderabad, Medchal Malkajgiri, Medak, Siddipet, Rajanna Sirsilla, Jagityal, Peddapalli, and the last one is Karimnagar. With this, we have learned the total number of districts that is 33 in located in Telangana. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching.